Azure Synapse DevOps integration is a crucial step in streamlining your data analytics pipeline and improving collaboration between data engineers and data analysts. To get started, you need to create an Azure DevOps project and link it to your Azure Synapse workspace. First, navigate to the Azure DevOps portal and create a new project. Then install the Azure Synapse extension from the marketplace. Next, link your Azure Synapse workspace to the Azure DevOps project by providing the necessary credentials and permissions. Once the link is established, you can start managing your Synapse resources, such as pipelines and notebooks, from within Azure DevOps. To automate the deployment of your Synapse resources, you can use Azure DevOps pipelines. Create a new pipeline and choose the Azure Synapse deployment template. Then configure the pipeline to deploy your resources to the desired environment. You can also use variables and parameters to make the deployment more flexible and reusable. Another key aspect of Azure Synapse DevOps integration is version control. You can use Git to manage different versions of your Synapse resources and collaborate with other team members. To do this, create a new repository in Azure DevOps and link it to your Synapse workspace. Then, you can start checking in and checking out your resources, and use pull requests to review and validate changes. Best practices for Azure Synapse DevOps integration include using separate environments for development, testing, and production, and implementing continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines to automate the deployment process. You should also use security and access controls to ensure that only authorized personnel can access and modify your Synapse resources. By following these steps and best practices, you can establish a robust Azure Synapse DevOps integration that streamlines your data analytics pipeline and improves collaboration between data engineers and data analysts. This will help you to deliver high-quality data analytics solutions faster and more efficiently, and make data-driven decisions with confidence.